Very good morning, students. We will take up another session, that is human health and diseases. Okay. So first question, the which of the following disease confirmed by Widal test? So options are tuberculosis, typhoid, plague and tetanus. Here the Widal test used for that to detect so that is a typhoid disease. Option B is the right answer. Second question, the toxic substances imosine related to the high fever and chill is released during which of the following diseases? Dengue, diphtheria, malaria and pneumonia. So in malaria, so that imosine, that chemical substances released, so that makes a chills and high fever. So option B is the right answer. Next question 3. Malignant malaria is caused by the which of the following species of plasmodium? So Plasmodium vivax. Option A Plasmodium vivax. Option B Plasmodium malaria. Option B Plasmodium ovale and Plasmodium falciparum. Plasmodium falciparum is the deadly one among all. So that makes that is a malignant malaria. Fourth question. The pathogens are genera Microsporum, Trichophyton and Epidorophyton are responsible for botulism, conjunctivitis, ringworms, skin allergies. The pathogens like Microsporum, Trichophyton, Epidorophyton are the fungi one. So which causes that is a ringworm. So the ringworm diseases. Fifth question. Identify the site of Ocheria brachyphyty normally found in a human body. So lymphatic vessels of the lower limbs, muscles of the legs, blood vessels of the thin region, skin between the fingers. So here this Ocheria bancrophoti is normal found on the human body, that is the lymphatic vessels of the lower limbs. Option A is the right answer. Sixth question, food poisoning is caused by Entamoeba histolytica, Escherichia coli, Clostridium botulinum and Corynebacterium diphtheria. So here the food poison is caused by the Clostridium botulinum. Seventh question, amoebiasis is caused by Plasmodium vivax, Entamoeba gigavalis, Trypanosoma gambensia and Entamoeba histolytica. Entamoeba histolytica, so that causes amoebiasis. Vector for Kala Azar is so Kala Azar is vector, sandfly, bedbug and louse and housefly. So the housefly is the vector which will be the carries the means which will the main vector for causing a Kala Azar, that is housefly. Ninth question, which of the following set includes the bacterial diseases? So which are the bacterial diseases? Tetanus, typhoid and tuberculosis, smallpox, influenza, tetanus, meningitis, measles and syphilis, none of the above. The bacterial diseases are, that is a tetanus, typhoid and tuberculosis. Which of the following, 10th question, communicable disease? Malaria, diabetes, hypertension, kwashiorkor. So here the malaria is the communicable disease. It go from one person to the another person. The rest of their non-communicable diseases. 11th question, black water fever is a severe complication of the Plasmodium falciparum, Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium malaria, all of the above. So black water fever is a severe complication of Plasmodium falciparum. Mumps is a viral disease and painful swelling of parotid glands, thyroid, thymus, sublingual glands. Here the parotid glands that get a swelling due to the mumps. 13th question, which of the following disease is not transmitted through the contaminated water? Typhoid, diphtheria, amoebiasis, hepatitis B. So the following diseases may not means contaminated of water can cause typhoid and amoebiasis and hepatitis B, not diphtheria. 14th question. Which of the following diseases there is always time lag between infection and appearance of the symptoms that are particular diseases? AIDS and acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, allergy, cancer and alcoholism. And here there is always a time lag between infection and appearance of a symptoms in a particular, like infection ಯಾವಾಗ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ symptoms ಬರೋದು ಯಾವ್ದೋ time ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So there will be no when infections occurs, the person may not know about it, get infected. So after several days or several months, so the appearance of the symptoms takes place. So that always we can see in the AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. 14th. 15th question. Which of the following most accurate definition of infection? The presence of microorganisms in a particular location, the disruption of a normal host in function by microorganisms, so the survival and reproduction of microorganism in a host, the appearance of symptoms in a host caused by microorganisms. The most accurate definition for infection is the survival and reproduction of microorganism in the host. So here when a microorganism is get infected means that is it is surviving in our body, and meanwhile that increases the number by through a reproduction. That is a accurate definition for the term infection. 16th question. Infection of ascaris causes so usually occurs by eating a imperfectly cooked pork, tesse fly, cc fly, and mosquito bite, and drinking water containing eggs of ascaris. 16th question. Eating imperfectly cooked pork or a fly or a mosquito bite, that it will not infect ascaris. The drinking water containing the eggs of the ascaris, there is a chance of infection ascaris. So that is answer is D. 17th question. The cells affected in leukemia are plasma cells, erythrocytes, thrombocytes and leukocytes. Leukemia, the cells affected with leukemia are to the leukocytes. Option D is the right answer. 18th question. Which type of barrier under the innate immunity to the saliva in the mouth and the tears of eyes belong to the physical barriers, cytokine barrier, cellular barriers and physiological barriers? And here the saliva in the mouth, tears in the eyes, that is belongs to the cytological barriers. 19th question. Which one of the following is a physiological barriers to the entry of microorganisms in human body? Skin, epithelium, urinary tract, tears and monocytes. So that is tears are the physiological, answer C, are the tears are the physiological barrier. 20th question. Immunoglobulins are antigen, antiseptic, antibodies or antibiotics? So here immunoglobulins are the antibodies. Option B is the right answer. 21st question. Antigens are present inside the nucleus, on the cell surface, inside the cytoplasm, on nuclear membrane. So here antigens are present on the cell surface. 22nd one. The cell coded protein that is formed response to infection with the most animal virus is called, that is interferon, antigen, histone and antibody. A cell coded protein that is formed response of infection with the most animal virus is called as a interferon anta kariತೀವಿ. Option A is the right answer. Okay, so we'll come for match the following questions. 90th question. Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? So we have to choose the mismatched one. Malaria, a plasmodium, so that's right. Plague, that is Yersinia pestis, that's right. Tuberculosis, trichorosis trichura, and sleeping sickness is Trypanosoma campaniensis. Tuberculosis is means caused by the Salem, that is another organism there. Just I will going to tell at the end of this session. That is answer C is that is wrongly mismatched. 91 question. Which of the following is not correctly matched? Clucus pipanis filariasis, Aedes aegypti, yellow fever, female Anopheles leishmaniasis, Glossina palpalis, that is sleeping sickness. Female Anopheles that causes a malaria, so that is not correctly matched. 92nd question. Which one of the following pair is correctly matched? Bang analgesic and cocaine, so that is opiate narcotics, and morphine, that is hallucination, and barbiturates, that is a sedative. So that correct only matched is the barbiturated, so that is correctly matched. The rest of them are, so they are mismatched, you can say that. 93 question. Which of the following is the correct match for a disease and its causative agent? AIDS, that is Bacillus, syphilis, Trypanosoma pallidum, malaria, Trypanosoma 93, and gonorrhea virus. Following correctly matched. The AIDS is Bacillus, that is not actually HIV ಬರಬೇಕದು. So that is a wrong one. Syphilis is Trypanosoma, ಅದು correct ಆಗಿದೆ. Malaria, so that should be female Anopheles or Plasmodium vivax ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಾಯಿತು. So Syphilis, Tryponema pallidum is the right one, correctly matched. Okay, dear students, we'll take up remaining questions as a assignment. Hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you very much.